We want SARS. It helps curtail activities of bandits and armed robbing. Northern governors request. Northern governors have rejected disbandment of the Special Anti-Robbery Squad SARS, submitting that unit has been useful in the fight against insecurity in the region. Chairman of the Northern Governors Forum, NGF, and Plateau Governor Simon Lalong made this declaration after a meeting with President Muhammadu Buhari in Abuja yesterday. He said though President Buhari has approved the scrapping of SARS, Northern State did not believe the baby should be thrown away with the bath water, arguing that the outfit was not made up of bad elements alone but included personnel who did their work diligently. The governor said what was needed was reformation to enable the unit to discharge its functions optimally. He, however, acknowledged that there are divisions in the country concerning the continued existence of the unit. Lalong, who said he was in the presidential villa to commend Buhari for approving community policing, which training had commenced in the various zones of the country, asked his message to the protesting youths. He replied, "We had a meeting yesterday, Wednesday, with the Nigerian Governors Forum (NGF). I am sure my chairman addressed the press. When we see issues like this, because most of the complaints vary from one state to the other. In one aspect, some people said they don't want SARS. Some said they want SARS, but a reformed SARS. They want a reformed SARS because as far as they are concerned, some of these SARS operatives helped them in addressing insecurity. If there are bad ones under holistically, bring them together and reform them, then you work for them." So, our opinion and conclusion at that stage was that let us not just say we are throwing away the baby with bathwater. If there are good ones, you don't chase them away. So, as SARS is banned, we are now looking forward to because most of the states in the north said no. They want SARS because SARS helps them. Bono said without SARS, he would not have been surviving today. Niger also wants SARS. So if you are addressing this issue of SARS, you need to know what is wrong in some places. Is it the process of recruitment? Is it the character of the people? You can say because somebody is wrong, everybody is wrong in the country. These are some of the issues we concluded yesterday, and it's for the chairman to go and meet Mr. President to still look at this issue holistically and critically so that we understand where we are going. On a whole, we all agree that there must be general reform within the police, but we can't do general reform without proper funding. You must address the issue of proper funding so that they don't say government is responsible for lack of funding and we attack them for non-performance of their duty. However, your wing of Ohanaeze Ndigbo has asked northern governors insisting on SARS to restrict it to their zone just as it rejected the reform Special Weapon and Tactics SWAT. Thank you for listening to this news. If the northern governors want SARS, they should go for them on their own. Other states are not interested in them. I can see that so many people don't seem to understand the people's plight. They are just after their own self. If out of 36 states and 27 are saying no to SARS, who do you go for? Is it the minority that are saying yes to SARS or the majority that are saying no to SARS that you go for? I don't know. I don't know the way people are thinking. I don't know the way people are thinking. We are saying that people that claim to be security operatives are also involving in armed robbery and illegal raiding and operation. And you are still talking about reforming them. What are you reforming? People kill people abnormally, unjustly. And you're saying that they should reform such people. What are they reforming? You can see. You can see that we are the one killing ourselves. We are the one killing ourselves. Instead of us to support what is right, we are there supporting the unjust. Do you think that this mass protest is a joke? For international country and international organization to join in the protest, don't you know that this has gone? Be careful. This is serious. This is serious. I can't believe that the Northern Governor Forum will be coming up with such an idea. Just like I said, if they are interested, the door is open for them to go for them. As for the other states in Nigeria, they are no longer interested. They are no longer interested. Alright? SARS has overstayed their welcome. See, are they the only units in the police force? Are they the only unit in the police force that they will keep calling them to order? I think the first order that they called them was when they committed one atrocity at in Ogun State. They called them to order. They told them, look, you better be careful. You better be careful. Instead of them to work with that, instead of other SARS in other states to work with that instruction and warning, they didn't. They even went on. They went on to be committing their atrocities, and you are saying that they should not ban them. I don't see. We are the ones spoiling our force. We are the ones spoiling our force, and that is why today we are number 3 we are number 3 in terrorism in the whole world, and number 1 in terrorism in Africa. Is that not a disgrace? My viewers, what is your take? Please deem it fit to leave your comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to receive more updates. Thank you.